Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and it's time for another video. Let me talk about the series we're doing, okay? Some of you may be watching this. This is the first video you've ever seen regarding social media. This is a series that I'm filming for you. It's free for anybody to watch. The link to the series is down below in the description box. It's for beginners who want to use social media for marketing their business, whether you own a taco truck, or you a cleaning service, or a law firm, or a cooking show. You're a YouTuber or whatever. How do you use social media? How do you use it? What are each aspect for? So I'm going through all the social medias and showing you, and I'm talking about all the benefits and how to tweak each one. So like last week we talked about Facebook. We're doing Facebook pages and groups, okay? Last week, was about Facebook pages. That's business pages that you can communicate with your clients, your customers, the general public, okay? That has all your business hours, phone number, your menu, your pricing, your comments, your reviews from people, that kind of stuff, all right? So today, we're going to groups. Now, what is a Facebook group? I want to explain to you guys. Facebook groups is like, you know what a meetup is. Like, let's say you're a computer programmer. You're having a computer programmer meetup meeting with people who are also computer programmers. You all have something in common. You talk shop, you trade secrets, that kind of stuff. And you join the group. A lot of the groups have requirements. So I'm going to show you how I join a group. They're going to ask you questions. They're going to say, for example, let's say I want to join HIP Hendersonville. I already belong to it, but let's say I want to join it, okay? The group questions will be, do you live in Hendersonville? They don't want a bunch of spam on the group site. They want to make sure you're not going to dump garbage on the group site. If you don't live in Hendersonville, you probably don't want to be on that page. They have administrators, okay, that police that and make sure that somebody from California isn't trying to jump into the group and plug their business, online business, all right? So they'll say, do you live in Hendersonville? What are you going to use this page for? Did you read the rules? The rules of a page, a group, will tell you you can't, no racial slurs, no hate speech. It'll say stuff like, if you want to promote your business, let's say you're a real estate agent, right? And you want to promote your real estate, a new home that listed, you can't do it unless it's Friday. On Fridays, you can promote yourself. It's called self-promotion. So like, I don't put my videos up on groups. Usually I do on Tuesday, but some groups I don't, because I know they're Friday only. So on Fridays, I hit all the groups, because most groups let you self-promote on Friday. And I don't think of sharing a recipe video as self-promoting my business, but I guess it is. So I don't share my videos unless it's Friday, because almost every group I belong to, the rules are you can't self-promote until Friday. And all businesses can be promoted on Fridays. So remember that. Remember the rules for each group, or they'll boot you out. Like what was the town? Donaldson. I was a part of HIP Donaldson. And I didn't know the rules. I was just getting started. So I posted, other than a Friday, one of my videos. And they literally kicked me out of the group and banned me from the group. I'm like, judge, jury, and executioner. Okay. So some people they run their group like they're Hitler. I don't know. You would think I would at least get one warning. Some admins have given me warnings. I totally get it. I respect it. It's their group. They spend a lot of time building it. So if you want to be in the group, you got to follow the rules. And that's just the way it is. But if you're an admin and you're watching this video, do me a favor. Give them one warning. Let them know. Some people don't know better. I didn't know better. I understand, but kicking them out and blocking them so they can't come back in or talk to you or reach you or anything, I was really upset over that with Donaldson. And I don't do restaurants in Donaldson anymore. I don't go there and review any of their businesses. I don't talk about Donaldson. They don't want me to be a part of their group. They banned me and blocked me. Well, that's the way it is. So they have the right to do that, and I have the right to not review any restaurants that are in the city of Donaldson, Tennessee, because I just felt that the page should not have done that. But anyway, that's my personal opinion. You guys can do whatever you want. Let's go right now to sharing a screen. All right, we're going to go to groups. Okay. Now they promote a lot of new groups. Like you're going to see groups I don't belong to on the main page right here. The groups I do belong to are right here. I have my life group. I have a guys' night out, Mansker Farms neighborhood, Hip Hendersonville, that kind of stuff. These are places that I belong to, and you can click see more, and these are all tons of places that I belong to. Okay, so basically, these are all the groups I belong to, and these are all the groups they want to recommend me joining. See, join, all that. Okay, but anyway, so I don't want to join. You don't want to join too many groups; it gets a little crazy. But you want to join groups that are pertaining. So, like, let's say you're a car restoration business. Okay, then join groups that are car related, because that's where you want to converse with people. We're all about marketing. The only reason we're on social media professionally is to market our business. Okay. So if you're going to market your car restoration business, how about, like, I live in Sumner County. So how about a Sumner County car restoration group, or Sumner County car rebuilding? I don't know. But basically, this is how you do it. So you meet people. So let's go to, let's choose a group. Let's do the Camp Chef one. Here's the Camp Chef one. I'm going to click on it right now. I'm now at the Camp Chef. They may do smokers and barbecues and everything, and utensils and accessories like that. I can join the group. See the big button here? Join group. This is a group. It says right here about this group. This is a group for Camp Chef product owners only. You must answer the entrance questions, or your request to join will be denied. Thank you. I don't know what CCGO, I think it's Camp Chef. Don't know. Anyone can find this group. So only members can see stuff. Okay, there's over here, it says over 9,000 members. I want to be part of this group because I love the Camp Chef company. I'm a big fan of it right now. And here's the rules. Be kind and Be kind and courteous. Okay, Camp Chef products only. Don't come on a Camp Chef and start going, Traeger's better. Just don't do that. Or don't go, yeah, I put my Camp Chef up against, a Grill of Grills. Don't mention any other company, because a lot of these pages are run by the company or people who work for the company. They don't want competitors being plugged on their page. I totally get it. Vendors, we welcome your interaction in this group. Gotcha. As this is a target-rich environment for you and our members, you must offer a discount to members. Oh, this is, okay, I see. CCGO is Camp Chef Group. What's it called? I don't know what's it called. Oh, grill owners. There it is, Camp Chef Grill Owners. Okay, let's scroll back down again. Giveaways. Let's see. Pictures submitted, sharing pictures, group promoting. You can read all these. I don't want to read all this to you in this video, but read all the rules. Do not read the rules. I know you want to join. Don't join a lot of groups in one day. That's another warning I'm giving you. If you join, let's say, 100 groups, okay, you're going to Facebook jail. I promise you. They're going to shut your account for like 3 days, and they're thinking you're spamming and all that. Be smart about it. Just join a few groups a day and get approved. It was created about 4 years ago. Here's the guy that created it, Brandon Williams. All right, I've read the rules. I know how many members, and 827 have joined this group in the last 30 days. So I'm guessing Camp Chef is becoming more popular, which I'm really excited. Camp Chef knows I like them. They know. I've told them. I said, I really like your product. I'm really impressed with the design. I like everything about it. I like the side griddle. I like everything. So let's join the group right now. Oh, you can see right here. Group created on July 14th, 2016. That'd be funny if it was 4th of July, huh? All right, join the group. Click on join the group. Here we go. I'm going to join. See, here's the questions you have to answer. Okay. Failure to answer all questions will result in you being declined. Do you own a Camp Chef grill smoker? I own the Woodwind. Woodwind. I think it's a 26-inch. Do you agree to only post pictures of Camp Chef cooking devices? Yes. I'm not going to promote anything else on this channel. Do you agree to only post food photos done on a Camp Chef? Well, I already said. Let's say yes again. They really want you not to post anything else. I agree to the group rules. Mark the box. Anything else? Nope. Submit. Now, it depends on who's the administrator, but it less than a day. You'll get approved, and in your notifications, you'll get approved that you join this group. And so you answer the questions, you join the group, answer the questions, they approve you. And then over here on the side will be in the list of groups you're in. All you gotta do is hit groups on the left, and it'll show you Camp Chef, grill owners. The best thing about it is talking shop, plugging. Like if I I'm doing another Camp Chef video in a few days, but like if I get something else from Camp Chef, I'll film that and I'll put it up here. And I got like almost 10,000 people in this group. So this is how you can reach like a lot of people at one time. Join groups, make sure you don't plug anything without offering discounts or giveaways. Make sure there's something behind it. Like down here in the rules, it says giveaways? Oh, there it is. If you're doing giveaways and using this group as an avenue to further your personal YouTube channel, blog, vlog, etc., it must be geared specifically towards this group. I have Camp Chef accessories to give away. So what you do is, if you're a channel, you say, giving away a Camp Chef accessory box. And then you go buy the box and ship it to the winner, okay? And you can have a kind of a giveaway, drawing, whatever. The way I do it, let me get off the screen sharing. I love groups. All right. So the way I use it for my marketing is if I do a crock pot video, I go to all my crock pot groups and I post my video on Friday. It works great. If I'm doing a giveaway, I do like my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I can see my subscribers from the last month. I can go up there and randomly pick somebody as my winner. All right. So you arrange the giveaway. Sometimes they got to email me that they want the barbecue gloves if I'm giving those away, just for the Camp Chef owners. Okay. So realize where your love is. Join those groups that appeal to your business. If you're a plumber, join plumbing groups. All right. So how great is the targeting for that, huh? Everybody who likes what you're into, what your business is. So if I'm into real estate, I join a real estate group. Everybody in there is looking to buy. They're looking to flip homes, do whatever, buy a new house. So groups are really important. Make sure when you go to groups, you go to the ones that relate to you. You can go to your personal interests. If you like Marvel comic books, they got a Marvel comic books. If you like cooking, I'm telling you right now, Instant Pot has over 1 million people. So if I do an Instant Pot video, I post it in that group. My video's been declined because they have an approval process, okay? My video's been declined because in the background was a competitor. I had the Ninja Foodie in the background of my video. It's in my kitchen. I'll have to remember when I film Instant Pot not to have the Ninja Foodie in the background. So, if you're in a Ford group, people who love the Ford cars, don't rebuild a Chevy video and put it on that group, okay? Just be smart, the group you're in, follow the rules, enjoy, market. That's all free. You can reach over 100,000 people in 5 minutes, and it costs nothing. That's the whole idea of this series, is to teach you how can I get people to know I exist, whether you make videos or whether you have a business. How do I let people know I'm there? Okay. I must tell you that there's a lot of local places to trade and sell. You can sell a lot of stuff. So if you're looking to make money, you want to Some people used to get junk and sell it on eBay. Okay, we have there will be a local place wherever you live in the world. There'll be a local place. Like if you live in, I don't know, let's say you live in New York. There'll be a New York trading, Manhattan, where people are trading stuff and selling stuff. You could sell stuff there. It's almost like it's infinite number. It's unbelievable how many groups Facebook has. Use them to your benefit, master them for your business, and do me a favor, watch the whole series, watch all my videos on social media marketing, because they'll teach you. We're going to talk about, I think we're going to talk Instagram, we're going to talk about Twitter, what you can and cannot do, what you shouldn't do, what you should do, why you should do this, why you should do that. And then we're going to talk YouTube at the end. All right. So, because we're going to probably spend a few weeks on YouTube. So the series is exciting. It's cool that you now know most social media marketing can be free. Don't spend money. I'm telling you right now, test it out. If you want to spend money on marketing, let's say on Facebook or YouTube, then only spend $100 and measure the numbers. Did my sales go up more than $100? If it did, it was worth it because you made money off that. So, you need to figure out, kind of test the waters. I know for me, advertising my food channel, Cooking with Jack, or Jack on the Go, or Tech Time, or Eye to Eye, advertising on YouTube and Facebook has been and Google has been a complete failure for me. It's not how it works. For my area, for your area, it could be a home run. It could be a hit. So don't take my experience and say, Jack, had bad luck with it. It could be good for you. So experiment with a small amount of money, watch the numbers, and then extrapolate. I think that's the word. Anyway, you want to go bigger. If you want to throw more money at advertising because it pays off for you, then do so. All right. Realize that. Do you remember how I think it was eBay. eBay started out as a Pez group. That's it. You would trade Pez candy dispensers. It's a big thing, I guess. But that's how eBay started. So have fun with groups. Write me if you have any questions. I love you guys, and watch the whole series. It's a good series, and it'll explain all social media and how you can use it for free, okay, and benefit your company, advertise your company, all right? Talk to you guys next week. Take care.